Hello everyone, welcome to Abena'sKitchen. In this video, we'll be making some Ghanaian style roasted peanuts. All you need is some raw peanuts. I'm using the red skin ones. These ones taste better than the pink skin one. I'll be roasting 2 packs of these. They are 500 grams each. So I'm going to salt my peanuts before roasting it. You know, the ones we buy from the supermarket, they roast it and then they add the salt at the end. But with the Ghanaian style roasted peanuts, you have to season the peanuts first. So I'm adding some hot water from my kettle. You can boil it on the stove if you don't have a kettle. You have to be very generous with the salt. I'm going to let the peanuts sit in the hot water for at least 30 minutes. This will soften them before we roast them. It's been about an hour in the water, so I'm going to drain them. I'm going to let it sit in the colander for it to lose more water. After some time, I'm going to pour it on my oven tray. I've lined the oven tray with some baking paper. You're going to spread them out and then sun dry it. If you don't have the sun where you are, if you can't sun dry, you can leave it on the counter overnight for it to dry a little bit, or you can even roast them straight away, but it will take much longer for it to roast. This is after 2 hours of sun dry. I just placed it next to my window. I didn't even put it outside and it's looking very nice. So we are going to roast it in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius. So in order for it to roast properly and not burn, you have to spread it out after every 10 minutes. So this is the first 10 minutes and I'm stirring it up. You can increase the temperature of your oven, but then you have to reduce the checking time to 8 minutes or maybe 5 minutes so that it doesn't burn. It took me 1 hour to get them roasted. When they are ready, you'll be able to peel them so easily, and then they will feel crunchy when you break them up. Mine were easy to peel but not as crunchy as I wanted them, so I put them back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Our peanuts are now ready. You should let them cool down completely before peeling them. I'm going to separate the peel from the peanuts with this strainer. You can blow them up outside, but since I'm not the only one who is going to eat this, I don't want to do that. Our Ghanaian style roasted peanuts are ready. I'm going to transfer them into an airtight container and have them as a snack, or use them for my gari soakings, for my ice cream cake. Thank you all for supporting Abena'sKitchen. subscribe and press the notification bell, and don't forget to comment, like and share the video. Bye.